Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Focus radio. First, gather your tools: a trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and specific radio removal keys. These keys are crucial for safely disengaging the radio from its housing. Having the right tools ensures a smooth process and prevents any damage to your dashboard or radio unit. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's move on to removing the dash trim. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges of the radio bezel. Work slowly to avoid scratching the plastic. Once the trim is loose, carefully set it aside. Next, you will find two Phillips head screws holding the radio in place. Unscrew these and keep them in a secure spot for reinstallation. With the trim and screws removed, it's time to extract the radio. Insert the radio removal keys into the 4 small slots on the radio's face until they click. This releases the locking mechanisms. Gently pull the radio straight out from the dash. Once it's partially out, reach behind and carefully disconnect all the electrical harnesses and the antenna cable. The radio is now completely free. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Reconnect all the electrical connectors and the antenna cable, then slide the radio back into its slot. Secure it with the 2 screws and snap the dash trim back into place. For more great tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. It's a valuable read for anyone looking to improve their financial outlook. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.